All right, we've got Shaw Montessori Upper Elementary in Phoenix, Arizona, as well as homeschoolers in Wales and Walnut Grove Secondary School, all tuning in, as well as Egypt. Thank you all so much for watching. We've got just a few minutes left in this live chat. And then once we wrap up, the NASA TV coverage will start, and we really encourage you to watch that. We are at 1 hour and 55 minutes until touchdown. And so everybody around the museum, I know, is getting really, really excited about it. John, at the beginning of the show, you cut out a little bit, and I'd kind of like to loop back around because we did get another question about this. It's getting a little crowded around Mars. Can you tell us what's going on with the other missions?
Yeah, so there's a bunch of missions at Mars that are still operating. Some from the European Space Agency. There's a mission from India, and then of course some prior U.S.-led missions like the Odyssey spacecraft and the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter spacecraft, etc. But the recent arrivals, just here in this sort of 10-day period, have been a new orbiter from the United Arab Emirates called HOPE that will remain in an interesting orbit around Mars that allows it to do some up close and personal sometimes, but then sort of whole side of Mars observations at others to understand the atmosphere. Perseverance, in addition to looking for biosignatures, signs of life, understanding the geology of the Jezero crater landing site and beyond, is part of sample return. We're going to use the rover to cache samples that'll be left on the surface for a fetch rover to come on the next mission to the surface to pick up that will then be launched back into orbit and eventually, we hope, return to Earth. So